Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Nubia Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings, then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match and then click here on Hey Google. Now click on more and then click I agree, then click again more and I agree. Now click next, then click next again and click more and I agree. Now you have to click on retrain voice match model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Let me try that again. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next and more and I agree. Then you have to go back and then click on lock screen, click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.